Let's create another function. We call it increment. We want to use this function to increment a number by a given value. So here we simply return number plus by. Now we can call this function like this, increment 2 and 1. This returns a value, so we can store it in a variable like result and then print it on the terminal. Let's run the program. We get 3, beautiful. Now we can simplify this code. We have used this result variable only in a single place, that is line 6. So we don't really need it. So on line 6, we can replace result with a call to increment function, like this. So when Python interpreter executes this code, first it will call the increment function. It will get the result and temporarily store it in a variable for us. We don't see that variable. And then it will pass that variable as an argument to the print function. Now, if we run this program, we get the exact same result. Beautiful. Now we can make this code more readable. If someone else looks at line 5, they may not know exactly what these arguments are for. We can use a keyword argument to make this code more readable. So this 1 here is the value of this by parameter. We can prefix it with the name of the parameter like this. Now we can read this code almost like plain English. Increment 2 by 1. So if you're calling a function with multiple arguments and it's not quite clear what these arguments are for, you can make your code more readable by using keyword arguments. So here, by equals 1 is a keyword argument.